Stop. Pause the video. Your gut feeling. Yeah, it's lying to you. Every weekend, you sit on the couch staring at a parlay like it owes you money, thinking, I feel good about this one. Meanwhile, the bookies, they're not feeling anything. They're running cold, ruthless algorithms designed to take your money slowly, politely, and every single weekend. That's not gambling. That's charity. So today, I'm showing you how to build your own soccer prediction GPT. No vibes, no superstition, just data. I'm Jay Nestor, and today we stop guessing. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and look at the left sidebar. Click Explore GPTs. This is the lab. Now look to the top right corner and click Create. Congratulations, you just crossed the line. You're no longer a user, you're a builder. And builders make the rules. Step 2, click Configure. Scroll down until you see Knowledge. This is where intelligence lives. Now drag and drop your CSV file, leak stats. Max results, goals, corners, form, 2 seasons minimum. From this moment on, your AI isn't guessing anymore. It's reading every goal, every mistake, every pattern humans miss. Step 3 in this part matters. Find the instructions box. This is where you stop being polite. Tell it exactly who it is. A cold, calculated football analyst. Tell it to analyze expected goals XG, defensive gaps, form trends. Then demand outputs percentage chances for home win, draw, or away win. You didn't just customize a chatbot. You hired a consultant that never sleeps. Here's the uncomfortable truth. In 5 years, there will only be 2 types of people. Those who give instructions to AI, and those who wait for instructions from it. If you're spending 3 hours researching stats manually, you're working for the machine. If your GPT does it in 3 seconds, the machine works for you. This isn't about soccer. It's about time. And who owns it? So what are you? The architect or another brick? The game is rigged. So it's time you started rigging it back intelligently. Comment below and tell me, do you want a GPT for viral scripts or one that automates your entire daily schedule? Subscribe to the channel J Nestor-R4R and welcome to the lab. See you in the next one.